In this video, you will learn how to use Advanced Survey in Remark Office OMR. Use the Advanced Survey feature to customize your survey tabulation process, including report headers, question properties, and analysis groups. Begin in the Data Center with your data showing. Click the orange Analysis tab, then select Advanced Survey. You are then navigated to the first tab in the Advanced Survey window. Open. Please note that this section is optional. In the Survey Definition Files section, you can open an existing file that you have saved before that matches your form template. Browse for a file by clicking the ellipsis. Then check the box if you would like to use custom report headers. You can enter text into the header text box, and also select an option from the drop-down list. You will see a preview of the header below. Then repeat this step to add a top center report header, and a top right report header. For this video, we will only be showing these three headers, but if you would like to customize the positioning of your header, click More Options. Click the Question Properties tab. Here, you can edit the form question properties that were defined in your form template. Non-tabulated questions will appear in light gray. Note that any changes you make here do not affect the underlying template. However, you can save them as part of your survey definition file for reuse. Select a question or hold down the Shift key to select a range of questions to edit. In the question text box, you will see the information that was pulled from the template region settings. You can also enter new information here. The checkbox for "This question identifies the respondent" allows you to set a region as a respondent identifier, such as a name. It is often used with tests, as surveys tend to be anonymous. However, if you have a region to use as a respondent identifier, you can mark it here. Notice that "Include the question in the analysis" is already marked. If you do not want to include the question in the reports, remove the mark. The information in the Analysis Settings box is taken from the template settings, and some things cannot be changed without editing the template. If a question on your form contains a not applicable response, you can select a label from the drop-down list so that your NA responses are not included in the Remark QuickStats statistics. In this example, the template has an NA option for the evaluation questions, so we will leave this set at NA. To define a benchmark, check the box, then enter a value for your benchmark that you want to achieve for this specific question. The benchmark represents the value you hope to achieve for this question. You can then optionally edit the numeric values that correspond to each answer choice. These values are used to calculate the statistics used in the report. Click the Analysis Groups tab. Here, you can organize questions together to see responses and means for a specific group of related questions. Please note that Remark QuickStats will only display this information if you have it set up in Advanced Survey. Click New to create an analysis group, or select Import to import an analysis group list from a database file or spreadsheet. Then browse for a file. For this video, we will be showing how to create a new analysis group. Enter a name for your group of questions. Then select questions that correspond to the group name from the list of available questions on the right and click Add Questions. Or simply hold down the Shift key to add a range of questions. Repeat this step to add another analysis group. Then add questions to your analysis group. To delete a question, select the question or questions, then click Remove Questions. Please note that every question must use the same response values in the analysis group. To use a benchmark, mark the checkbox, Then enter a value you want this analysis group to obtain. Click the Question Weights tab. This section is used to apply a heavier weight to certain questions in the group. Select the analysis group from the drop-down list that contains the question you want to add additional weight to. For the question, equal treatment of students, change the weight to a 2, since you would want to ensure the instructor respects the students. Click Save to save your file for later use. Click Analyze to tabulate your survey immediately. You also have the option to save the file. You are then navigated to the Remark QuickStats page containing your reports. Here, you will see all of your reports, such as the Condensed Item Analysis Report, which shows you a breakdown of each question. Then click Survey and Item Statistics Reports. Select the Analysis Group report to view the analysis groups you created. Underneath the report name, you will see your header filled out with the information you entered. The overall questions will appear first on your report. Then below, you will see the 2 analysis groups. Notice the additional weight you added for this question is displaying. Also, notice the benchmark you set is displaying and the mean that was achieved. You can select various additional reports to view your survey results. You have successfully learned how to use Advanced Survey. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information. Thanks for watching.